And welcome back. Let's bowl off with some cricket, shall we? 2 Jamaicans have been named in the 15-man West Indies test squad to face Pakistan in a 2-game series which bowls off on Saturday. Garfield Jones reports.
Brandon King and Kirk McKenzie are the Jamaicans included in the Roston Chase-led squad for the upcoming series. McKenzie, who made his test debut back in 2023 against India, has played a total of 6 matches with a top score of 50. He last represented the Caribbean team in 2024 against England. He has been rewarded for a prolific West Indies 4-day championship where he scored 323 runs in 6 innings at an average of 64.60. West Indies head coach Darren Sammy spoke on McKenzie's inclusion.
And young McKenzie, a really bright prospect for us. He was in the team before. I remember watching him scoring a fighting half-century in that test match we won in Australia, where Shamar Joseph had his historic moment. He kind of lost form. And then throughout the last 2 or 3 years, the work he's put in, you know, and obviously, unfortunately for John Campbell, who was looking good in the last test series, got injured. So McKenzie, you know, gets an opportunity to be in the squad.
King retains his place in the squad from the recent 2-match series against Sri Lanka, in which the West Indies prevailed 1-0. There's one newcomer to the squad in the form of left-arm spinner Joshua Bishop from Barbados. Now, over the last 3 regional seasons playing for the Barbados Pride and the West Indies Academy, Bishop has been the leading bowler, capturing 91 wickets. The full squad reads Roston Chase, captain, Jomel Warkan, vice-captain, Joshua Bishop, Tej Narayan Shandapal, Joshua Da Silva, Justin Graves, Kavem Hodge, Shea Hope, Amir Jangu, Shamar Joseph, Brandon King, Kirk McKenzie, Kimo Paul, Kemar Roach, and Jaden Seals. Fast bowler Alzari Joseph was unavailable for selection due to personal reasons.
Yeah, it is a big loss. Mr. Joseph has declined selection. You know, that's the reality of the situation. He was selected. I mean, he's now coming from injury, and for reasons he has declined the selection. That is a decision that is way over my head. I leave that with the directors to come up with, you know, whatever solutions that is where contracted players get to decline selection.
And what message would you want to give the public?
The first test bowls off on Saturday at 9 a.m. Jamaica time at the Brian Lara Stadium in Trinidad and Tobago, marking the first time a test match will be played at this venue. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.